Hi there, I'm Grant. I'm a product designer or design engineer who builds products end to end using AI. And I'm here to show you how to actually get 3D assets using Claude, connected with Blender, and also using Sketchfab. And I'm excited to show you how we're going to do this. Yes! So here we go. Okay, so now we need to make sure that our Claude is installed. And of course, you can't use this feature without subscribing to Claude. Yes! And also, you need to make sure that your Blender is also installed. Blender is free to install. Claude is also free to install, but you need to make sure that subscription is on Claude. Blender is free to use, so you can use Blender. So now we're going to start our Blender. We've opened Claude already. We're going to start our Blender and wait for it to come on. Blender is on now. I'm going to delete this cube that is in the middle so that we can bring in whatever it is we want to bring in. Now we need to make sure that our Claude is also connected to our Blender. Very, very, very important. This isn't difficult to do at all. I'm probably going to release another video on how to connect your Claude to your Blender. But first off, let's just import something from Sketchfab into Blender. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Sketchfab, go to the home page, go to your settings over here. This is your settings. Click on your settings, go to passwords and API, copy this here and go to your Blender here. Click on N on your keyboard and you're going to see Blender tab here. You can twist your head to look at it. See, Blender MCP. Yeah. Then you're going to toggle this particular toggle here and paste the API key from Sketchfab. Yeah. And when you paste it, click on connect to MCP server. Yeah. Now there are two different ways to do this. You can tell Claude, which we're going to go back to now. You can tell Claude that you want to you can tell Claude to bring in whatever car or whatever 3D assets you need from Sketchfab. Or you can also go to Sketchfab and copy the link of whatever you want, paste it in your Claude, and it will automatically paste in your Blender. Yeah, that's it. That's it. But anyways, let's continue. Let's tell Claude, I want to import a 3D character from Sketchfab into my Blender. Search for one on Sketchfab and do not take my time. Yes, that's what you gotta do. Because sometimes Claude will just want to waste your time. I've faced this so many times. It can be sad. But anyways, yeah, we wait. As you can see, it has been installed. A random character, of course. We weren't looking for a specific one. Let me turn on the share to see what it looks like. Yeah! Yes! We have a character in Blender. I'm going to release more videos on how to use this character. Maybe your games, websites, anywhere. But for now, this is where we'll stop. I've tried, haven't I? Make sure you have a wonderful day ahead. Love you to those. Peace out. You know what? Get out! Come on for it, Joe. Get out!